This is a daily light language transmission. I just starting these as I feel that I have agreed at some level to channel some healings from various ascended masters and guides and my higher self. So today's transmissions already started to try and come through me when I woke up in the morning. So I'm going to bring it through, and we'll see who it is that's come to bless us with their light codes and healing and activation and information and knowledge today. So if you just get in a comfortable position, open your heart, and allow the sounds to wash over you, go where they need to go, talk to the parts of you they need to talk to. Shisaka toko soko chipo toko taka akatika osoko toko toko chiko soto ti akaka soko topo kataka ata saka toko toko o toko soko toko o toko to o soko toko o toko akachipo o toko soko topo to bita kataka toko soto isa chipo to o taka taka to soko pa achiko so toko bita taka saka toko chipo so taka kataka choko so toko po ichi sa taka bita o toko so toko po so toko chiko so toko chipo toko chipo so toko taka toko chipo soko topo toko to just attack up the go over to Tubakoto over to Katsuko or to Kopata Tabotoko Chibasakatakabato also Tabakachipo over to Katakata. Isakapatakapo also Tobotoko Chip also to be the Kapchiposo to Kotakataka Chikopotos Kopata up the Kachipo also toko Isakapata Akchipo also Topoko Toko Sotakapa Takotoboto to Kopotoko Otoko Isakakataka Oko Soko Opto Opchipo also to Batakchipo also Tokoba Ata Aptosoko Ata Aka Ataka Isakata Akatopo Okotopo Opopo so Popo Opo Tokoba Opotoko Sopoto Chopoko Toto Sopotopo O Isakabatika Potoso Tokopta Chokoposo Tokopta Tipoko Sotopoto Tipo Sopotapoko Sotopoto Tokopata Capital. Just a tapataka the board, teeth by the Capitopoko Soto to go to Sotokopata Capitopoko to Copate Poposo. So I'm seeing the tree of life, and I'm seeing a huge big tree as its roots go down into the earth and connect to the nurturing, loving, mothering earth, and becoming one with her energies and her divine presence and love and nurturing. And as that happens, I'm seeing all the toxins within your physical vessel and your body shift out through that root system and be transmuted by that loving, unconditional love. And as that happens, the tree grows higher and higher and taller and stronger and bushier and greener and with multicolored leaves, and reaches out to the heavens. It's like the leaves are like fingers, and they're reaching out into the heavens, and the clouds and the cosmos, and becoming one at the higher levels with all that is, which is the sky and the heavens represented as the Father. So we have the Mother and the Father, completely protected, nurtured, enhanced, given all the things you need to evolve and grow in the direction that you need to and want to for your soul's evolution, for your physical evolution, all the things that you want to see and feel and develop and experience. And I'm feeling the energies of today. It seems to be Christ, Jesus Christ and Mary Magdalene, as a team of twin flames that represent the masculine and the feminine unity. Yesterday it was Parvati, and how she connects with Shiva. I didn't realize at the time. I had a sense it was Parvati, and then when I looked her up, it was the whole channel was exactly what she was about, which is beauty and love and happiness and divine partnership and marriage and strength. So yes, I'm feeling the masculine channel this time from Christ, though I also feel the presence of Mary there as part of him. And okay, we're working on the masculine side of the tree at the moment. Ina kapoko so tukopo chipta ati poko so topota kasa tokopo to otu tokopo oso tokopo chapa ati tika atoko otoko tu tokopo tu ipataka sa toko chopo so takapta ikotoko otoko skotoko tu chupoto skopota atka akta skotopoko ikasa katopoko okoko so koko toko chopo so kopota ipataka sa kapato chopo so kotokopota askotopo oktopo isa chapato kopo otos potoko opoti pakata sa kapato kopo okopotoko okoto so kotoko chopo so Isakata kaka sakoto kopo Isokoto kopo sokoto betia akatapo opota ikapata ipita kapato poto kopoto tokopta aksatapato Isachapataka akaka po. So that went from working on the masculine side, clearing through the solar plexus and the throat, and in that expressing to the feminine what's been holding the masculine up, what the blockages were, what the frustrations were, what they're working through. Then this very powerful strengthening through the trunk of the tree, especially the lower part, and feeling that in the body represented by the spine and the lower back, and a real strengthening of the spine and the lower back. And I feel we're about to move across into the feminine side and feeling the crown opening. Osokoto supatakacha sotokotoko eta sakapitika atipito isakapatako po. The energy's got very soft and feminine now. Osokotipa satakatopokoto sitakapatika apte isakapataka patoko osotoko poto sotoko poto isakapo osokotoko. She's sending the most incredible divine unconditional love into the solar plexus through her heart. With that, with the masculine expressing his vulnerability, letting go of his pride and expressing his vulnerability to the feminine, and her holding him in a safe place and loving him as he is. There are changes in the neuronal pathways in the brain, so it's like the ego shifts, the patterning and programming shifts around what a man is and what he's supposed to be and what he can be, and whether he will be accepted, how he's accepted, what he's accepted for. Some healing from the feminine now of the throat chakra, helping him to be able to express himself without limitation and express himself in his true authenticity and from his heart. Okoso chipoko tokosupo isakapoko oso oto iakatako sokopo o isakapo o soko isakapo o sopo oko isakapo o iaka oso a isaka asa akata atopo sotoko chipo sotoka taka a. And she's working on the trunk of the tree from the heart upwards, into the heavens, into the divine, into the connection to spirit, the intuitive. Osi takaposo choko oto tokocho oso tokocho soko okocho soko toko osoto isotoko oso tokopo oso isotoko oso toko sotopoko choko okoko sotoko o isakatakako soko toko choko sotoko toko isachaka sakatoboko ostoko potoko chopo sotoko osokoko isokoko osoko oko isakakaka toko poto soko toko toko sisikapataka takapoto isatakapako soko toko sotoko potoko isatakapoko sotoko choko sotoko poko soko toko Isataka pachaka toko soko oko sitaka patakacha. Isataka aka isakapa oto. Isataka pacho soko patika sataka. I'm feeling quite a lot of female ascended masters now. I can feel Parvati again, and I think it's Bridget. I don't know quite. I'm not extremely familiar with Bridget, but I'm feeling, rainbows coming from her. Just this very, very gentle, loving, tender energy, but also not as much in a mothering way like from the earth, but more in a romantic way. It's a reassurance that you're loved. Every part of you is loved by the divine. That divine love can never be taken away from you. And as that understanding is felt by your heart, it expands. And there's a lot more shoots out the top of the tree, reaching even higher into the divine. And now I'm being shown that when you have reached this level of understanding that you are loved as you are, with all your flaws and your humanity, and you're loved by your true divine partner, and that can never be broken, that is when your heart reaches for her. And there's an expansion through the mind. You're able to hear her with truth and clarity rather than hearing what you're programmed to hear. Ina kasa toko poko chipoto teta kasa tapoko otoko chos kata kasa takachiko otoko isa tapak chikos kotoko takachi takata takato potos koptokopo isa potoko poko toko sokotoko bataka isa takachiko sotoko toko sokotaba atika atakachiko o so topata takato itakata takata katakotoko sotoko bata atakasa isa taka aka toko isa taka katoko oko. So now that divine love is moving into the spine, in the lower spine that's already been strengthened by the masculine. Osoko koso toko po ataka a asa aka okoko toko o asaka poto o. And that divine love, I'm seeing as golden, is being received all the way down through the root chakra, down into the roots, down into the earth, and bringing divine energy for the Mother Earth to also receive through you, through your presence on the earth, through your unity with the earth and the collective in this time and place. And a really, really huge heart expansion, throat expansion. Isha sakatoko po sotoko a. Isa pachaka satoko po o. Isaka a. Ama antaka a soto a. Asataka pa oso. Isataka po oso koko sakataka po so o. Ia apa o. Ia taka o. Isapako tuko cho o. Isapaka ataka a. Oso anamoko so po. Isanamakata po so o ta. Ikapo. And that felt like a beautiful blending of the masculine and feminine energy through the spine, through the energy field of the whole tree, from the heaven all the way down to the earth, and then a strengthening of that within the field to hold as a permanent unification. So make sure you take time to integrate that. Be aware that different symptoms may come up as you integrate it. Listen to it as many times as you need to, or go a level deeper each time, and drink a lot of water. Take care. Blessings.